23rd, sun on the snow. Berlin, New Hampshire, ready to go. Trailheads packed, every rig in line, mud on the tires and a grin that shines. Wheelers rolling from dawn to late, everybody's buzzing at the gate. I seen more iron than I ever did before. Opening day was a parade and more. We were headed out, no time to waste. Every hot spot was a sweet little chase. Opening day, opening day. Wheelers coming every which way. Warming hut, Cascade Falls. Windmills turning above it all. Opening day, opening day. Fred the drone caught every frame. Opening day, opening day. Best I've ever seen that way. Laughing and talking and opening doors. Cascade Falls was a wild, wide roar. Folks kept stopping just to stare some more. Then out by the windmills, high on the ridge, you could hear those engines climbing bridge. All filmed with Fred the drone up high, just a little bug with a bird's eye. Every turn had a view, one more stop, then we'd push on through. Opening day, opening day. Seen that way. We don't need much, just cold air and steel, a full trail map, and a day that feels real. From the first tire track to the last one gone, you could tell right then this one will live on. Opening day, opening day. Wheelers coming every which way. Warming hut, Cascade Falls. Windmills turning above it all. Opening day, opening day. Fred the drone caught every frame. Seen that way. Berlin, New Hampshire, keep that flame. May 23rd, we'll say your name. Opening day, opening day. What a ride, what a day. Opening day in Berlin, white frost still on the ground. Tiffany rolls up grinning, Kawasaki T-Rex sound. Rich and Diane behind her, and that trail limo shine. Fred the drone up in the air, catching every line. Open up Berlin, let the good times roll. Trail day, feeling right at home. Tiffany leads the way, Rich and Diane follow close. Open up Berlin, we got miles to go. First stop at the warming hut, mugs hot in their hands. Then Cascade Falls splashing like a cheer across the land. Past the windmills turning, cutting through the blue. Fred the drone keeps circling, so the whole town sees it too. Open up Berlin, let Stephanie leads the way, Rich and Diane follow close. Open up Berlin, we got miles to go. Sun climbs over the ridgeline, mud and laughter blend. A small town on the move now, with every trail they send, from the falls to the windmill.